Hello, kids. Good morning. Look around you. Round things like balls roll, flat things like books slide. So, finally, let's remember round will roll and flat things will slide. What will a ball do? Yes, roll. What will a book do? Yes, it will slide. What will a dice do? Yes, it will slide. What will a wheel do? It will roll. What will a coin do? While standing, it will roll, and while flat, it will slide. Yes, both. So now, next is rapid fire. Orange. Yes, roll. Eraser. Yes, it will slide. Water bottle lying. Yes, roll. Water bottle standing. Yeah, slide. Ice cube. Yes, it will slide. Plate. Slide. Marble. Yes, roll. Brick. Yes, slide. Gas cylinder. Come on, fast. Yes, it will do both things. Egg. Roll. Chalk. Both. Spoon. Yes, it will slide. Very good. Yeah, so now that's it for today. We'll see you all in a next video with the new topic. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.